This is AutoCut. It's not another editing app. It's not another complicated tool. It's an AI plugin that works directly inside Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. If you're still spending hours cutting your videos manually, you're doing it the hard way. Every pause, every mistake, every silence, you sit there trimming it one by one. And by the time you're done, you're already exhausted before the real editing even begins. So you don't have to leave your editing workflow, and you don't have to learn something new from scratch. It just sits inside your editor and does the boring work for you. And honestly, this changes everything, because editing is not just about creativity, it's about time. And most of your time is wasted on repetitive tasks. Cutting silences, fixing mistakes, adding captions, zooming in and out, finding clips, resizing videos. All of this takes hours, and AutoCut handles it in seconds. Let me show you what I mean. I'm inside Premiere Pro right now, working on a normal talking head video. Nothing special, just raw footage. Normally, the first step would be cutting all the dead space, all the pauses, all the awkward gaps, and that alone can take a long time. But with AutoCut, I just click once. And instantly, it removes all the silences. The timeline becomes tight, clean, and fast. No more dragging clips manually. No more zooming in and out trying to find gaps. It's already done. And this is just the beginning. Next comes captions. If you've ever added subtitles manually, you already know how painful that is. Typing every word, syncing it, adjusting timing, it kills your workflow. But with AutoCut, you generate captions instantly. And not just basic captions. You can style them, animate them, and make them look like viral videos. And this is important because captions are not optional anymore. They increase watch time, they increase engagement, and they make your content feel modern. And again, this is done in seconds. Now let's talk about something that actually makes your videos look professional. Zoom. If you watch any viral video, you'll notice constant movement. Small zooms, cuts, motion. This keeps the viewer engaged. But doing this manually means keyframing every single zoom, which takes forever. AutoCut automates this. It adds zooms at the right moments automatically, so your video instantly feels more dynamic without spending hours on it. Now imagine you're working on a long video, like a podcast or a YouTube video, and you want to turn it into short clips. Normally, you would watch the entire video, find good moments, cut them, resize them, and edit them again. But AutoCut has a feature called Auto Viral. It finds the best moments for you and turns them into short-form clips ready for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. This alone can save you hours, and if you're a content creator or freelancer, this is huge, because now one long video can turn into multiple pieces of content without extra effort. And then there is B-roll. Finding the right clips, downloading them, placing them, timing them, it's another time-consuming task. AutoCut can automatically insert B-roll into your video, so your content feels more engaging and less static. And if you make videos regularly, you know how important that is. Another thing I really like is how it handles mistakes. When you're recording, you often repeat lines, say something wrong, and redo it. Normally, you would go through everything and remove those parts manually. AutoCut detects repeated takes and removes them automatically, so your timeline stays clean and your workflow stays fast. And for creators who care about monetization, there is also a profanity filter. It automatically detects bad words and censors them so you don't have to go through everything yourself. And if you're uploading to YouTube, this can save you from issues later. And then there is something small but very useful. Auto chapters. It generates chapters for your video, which helps with SEO and makes your content easier to navigate. Again, something that normally takes extra time. Now, about resizing. If you post on multiple platforms, you already know the struggle. Horizontal for YouTube, vertical for Reels and TikTok, you have to reframe everything manually. But AutoCut can resize your video automatically and keep the subject centered so you don't have to redo your edit. And this is where everything comes together. Because it's not just one feature, it's the combination of all of them. Silence removal, captions, zoom, B-roll, viral clips, resizing, all working together inside your editor. This is what actually speeds up your workflow. And the best part is, you are still in control. This is not replacing your editing. It's removing the boring parts so you can focus on storytelling, on creativity, on making better content. And if you're a freelancer, this directly affects your income. because now you can finish projects faster, take more clients, and deliver better quality. And if you're a content creator, this means more videos, more consistency, more growth. And getting started is actually very simple. You can try AutoCut for free. There is a 14-day free trial, and you don't even need to add a credit card. So you can test everything, see how it fits into your workflow, and decide for yourself, which honestly is the best way to try any tool. Because once you use it, you will immediately feel the difference. Editing stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling fast, smooth, and efficient. Because at the end of the day, the faster you edit, the more you create. And the more you create, the more you grow. So instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, you let AI handle it, and you focus on what actually matters, making content that people want to watch. So if you're serious about saving time, improving your workflow, and making your editing process faster, AutoCut is definitely something you should try, especially since it works directly inside Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. No switching tools, no complicated setup, just install it and start editing smarter. And once you experience that speed, it's really hard to go back.